welcome back to Talk Time with Ebo. I am Emmanuel Ebo. On this channel, we discuss lifestyle, we discuss culture, we discuss politics, and we discuss issues that concern us as Africans and as Nigerians. It is safe to say that Nigerians are a different breed of human beings. Nigerians act differently. Nigerians have their special way of handling situations. So today, we are pointing out 4 ways you can identify a typical Nigerian. If that sounds interesting to you, then you keep watching. Now, the first one is that Nigerians are always aggressive. Nonetheless, the aggressiveness or the aggression of Nigerians is always vested in the wrong places and at the wrong time. At the airports, in the banking hall, at the ATM queue, Nigerians are fighting and beating themselves. When a NEPA official comes to disconnect power, Nigerians beat him up. When fire service officials come to put up fire, Nigerians beat them up, maybe for coming late or something like that. So Nigerians always transfer their aggression to the wrong persons and at the wrong time. But when their public officials begin to siphon public funds, Nigerians keep quiet. We become docile. We no longer show that kind of aggression or aggressiveness that we show to our fellow citizens or to normal Nigerians who are not our problems. Now, the second one is that Nigerians are religious, but don't dare Nigerians. Nigerians are very religious, but at the same time, Nigerians can drop their Bible or any holy book they use to deal with you.
Because I'm holy, I will drop this Bible and finish you. What?
In other words, religion doesn't show in the character of Nigerians. Nigerians can still do whatever they want to do, irrespective of their religious inclinations. In Nigeria, corruption still thrives. A number of vices still go on in this country, yet we are very religious. Now, the third one is that Nigerians gratify suffering. When you tell a Nigerian that you lost 50 naira, the Nigerian will say, sorry, at least it's only 50 naira. My friend lost 1,000 last week. So we always try to belittle people's experiences with things that are worse or worse than their experience. When you get your car scratched, Nigerians say, oh, thank God it's not the entire car that got scratched. And that explains the level of docility that we experience among Nigerians, especially when it has to do with politics and seeking for social justice and all of that. Nigerians always like to look for a worse scenario to compare what you're experiencing, and that's too bad. But anyway, that's how you identify a typical Nigerian. Yes, that is it. Now, if you know any other way that you can identify a typical or a common Nigerian, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be there to reply your comments. And if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe to this channel. And until you see my face next time, I am still Emmanuel Ebo.